weekly 10-minute bulletin when we talk about all things Yirara.
Hi, my name is Shania Murphy.
Hi, my name is Whitney Murphy, and we are from Yiraramu community. And welcome to YiraraTV. Way!
It's been about 3 years since Jeff Taylor has been able to visit us due to COVID-19.
Helping us to think outside the square and realize we can do something we didn't think we could do is one of the things we discovered.
Yeah, hi everyone, my name's Jeff Taylor. Most people know me as Joffa. So you guys, what, 16, 17 maybe? Yep. Alright. Most pilots flying around these days were 16 and 17 at one point. Actually, they all were. So at that point, if I asked them at school, can you fly a plane, they would have said, not yet. It means it's possible. Can you drive a car? Not yet. See? Makes it possible. So whenever you're asked about your abilities, you simply say, not yet. Simple as that. That's my pen name. I'm actually a editorial cartoonist, and I work in schools around the country on helping kids build their self-esteem and resilience through a program I call Toon School. Can you fly a plane? Now, is the answer no? There's only two answers you should give to people when they ask you about your abilities to do something. One is yes. What's the other one?
Yes.
Not yet is the other one. Not yet, which means it's possible. On the board there are two ordinary looking shapes. They have no names, they're just shapes. Who still thinks they can't draw cartoons? I see most people don't think they can, as I said. However, that's about the thought process. Coming to Yirara is pretty special for me. The kids are a little bit shy to start when they first see me, but once we've got underway and they can detect my sense of humour, pretty well shy. And what I found with the kids here today, that they engage really quickly, and we're really proud of some of the work they did. Have you guys ever heard of something called having a growth mindset? It's believing everything is possible, then taking steps to make it possible. Especially in some of the kids in the Year 7 group we had last, who were a little flighty to start with, but there was a core group that actually settled and got into some really nice stuff. These are 5 very responsible people. I've handpicked them myself. They're taking time out of their day to do this for you, which I think is very nice. They'd really appreciate being appreciated for their time with a simple...
It's great, it's your own, very unique.
Test works. Teachers will tell you stuff, right? And then they'll ask you about it. That's the test. So if you listen, you pass the test. Always love coming to Yirara. Hopefully I'll see you again soon. Let's hope there's not another pandemic that's going to keep me away for another 3 years, and look forward to seeing you all when I get back. So thanks for having me again again for the day. Thank you.
3, 2, 1.
This is my application for my driver's license. How exciting! Bye!
Work experience too!
Once I turn senior student, have a go at something new, working at different
organization can open the doors to part-time jobs.
When we can earn some pocket money after school.
We are enjoying our work experience at IDA Northside.
Practice this.
What? What
a practice. What? Work experience at the IDA.
We doing work experience at
IDA Northside.
We're off the cold for work experience.
Yeah.
As being a ranger, you have to, make sure the gate is shut.
This ticket right here, it shows what date it'll be finishing up. We had a work experience. I've been doing this bread, but yesterday I was doing the milk. I was doing the milk factory, aka Willy Wonka.
For working experience this week, we're going to be working at Avis and cleaning the cars.
One of the things we do is clean inside of the car, the interiors and everything.
CE 76.
Yeah, just spray a little bit on and wipe it off, and then we'll need to wet half of this before you go over so you can wipe it off with water afterwards.
Don't worry.
Don't rub too hard though, because it'll probably take the laminate off. Need someone to go around and press every single barbecue. I want you to go and turn them all on.
Checking the barbecue plates and public area for tourism to not make a mess and make a lit out of the place. Yeah. That's what rangers do. Yeah.
I just need to hold it there until it dries. That's all. Right, go right down, bro.
Here you go.
Make sure it's sitting level.
Yep.
A little bit of water coming out.
All good. Real ranger job.
Digging holes in the floor. Put the thing fence back up. You know, just remaking it. Yeah, trying to help it, do our best too.
We're just going to work in the aisles now, and yeah, hopefully it's going to be a good day.
Today we're at work experience at Coles.
And we're just cleaning the aisles, picking up boxes and all of that. And dealing with rubbish.
Yes.
Yeah,
we are.
We are.
After we finish school, find a job. Yeah. These are the skills you learn when you're at school first. And then after school, if you got the right amount of skills, you can do this when you get a job.
Hey, I'm Joey.
And I'm Jabez.
And I'm Leroy.
Yesterday we went live to air on ACCC 102.1 FM.
And I learned how to use the record.
And we did lots of shout out to the communities.
First we do take the record book out and put it onto the turntable and put the needle on top. Sit that up and then come up with that. And then you got it.
Shout out to my friends and family, and shout out to Paul M. Happy birthday to Wissy.
Thank you, blood. Yeah.
Happy birthday to ya.
Hi, my name is Caden Ross. For working experience, I've been helping out here in RJ site, stacking shelves, keeping them tidy, so all the customers can just see everything in the right spot.
Hi, we are here at Reptile Center for work experience. And this is Terry the crocodile.
Hi, this is a list
of jobs that we have to do every day.
My name is Cherry Hayward, and I'm actually the owner of Akuma Kebabs. We've been having some students come over from YiraraTV College, and they've been doing work experience. So this is the second lot of work experience guys that we've been having. Take your gloves off. Okay, now you know where the dollars, go, eh?
Yeah.
There you are. Sort it all out. Lift these up first. Lift them up. Turn them around, that's good. I'm really pleased to be able to open the shop up to the school to allow their students to come here and do some training.
I'm rubbing the meat, and we are the vegetables. Yeah.
This is Aboriginal owned, this shop, and it's really good for me to be able to train our Aboriginal young people in work experience, so that by the time they finish school they can decide whether they want to go into the food business, operating their own food business or whatever.
Got the onion, tomato, and the salads. And we'll be cutting some tomatoes up.
So it's giving them the opportunity that they can think about. They don't have to do it, but it's only that they can think about whether they want to work in the field of food or not. It's been a great pleasure these boys are really great guys to work with, and they learn really quickly. Like most Aboriginal people, we learn by doing things, hands-on activities. So for them to do things by their hands, they learn a lot quicker, and we all know that. So it's been a real privilege to be able to open the shop up for them, and whatever I can teach them that's going to help them in the future, I'm willing to do it.
Every Monday we have our language class where we became the teachers and help staff to learn our language.
Yeah, milky.
This year we got a Creole class.
That's what I had trouble with, that rolling. Ri?
Ri.
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 Ri. Shania comes up to me in the yard and she said, Ndakanirame, yeah?
I always say that to you.
And I panic and I'm like,
what you doing?
But I'm so bad, I go, nothing. I get confused.
And tip mean what?
Bird.
Yeah, see? You still remember.
Then learning Majara class, which means this is our Majara language class. Kila Dandri Nambanga.
So what does that mean? The last bit?
I'll see you up later.
Class.
Which means this is our literature class. Welcome. Due to COVID-19, many things changed over the last few years. Term for 2021, we were unable to hold a seniors formal, so in a few weeks' time, we are very happy to be able to host a 2021 formal. That's all for now. Next week we have a story about the Sarafis visiting Europe. Join us every Friday. Bye!
Now that's done.
Okay, bye. Stop it. Okay.